guys, welcome back to another reaction video. Today we're checking out a song by Janis Joplin called Cry Baby. This one is live. This one has been suggested by my Patreon, Cousin Reese. Thank you so much, Cousin, for the suggestion. Without further ado, guys, let's dive right in.
Janis Joplin.
Cry!
Hold on. Oh my Lord, what was that? Jeez, my lungs hurt even from that. Baby. Whoa, okay, I want to listen to that again. This is just the beginning. What am I getting myself into? Oh my Lord, let's do that again.
Janis Joplin.
Cry! Welcome back home. You know she tell you, honey, I know she told you that she loved you much, much more than I did.
Hey.
But I know she left you, and you swear that you just don't know why. But honey, you know it'll always be right. If you ever want me, come on and cry, cry, baby. Cry, baby. Cry, baby. Oh, honey, welcome back home.
Woo!
Don't you know? Honey, ain't nobody ever gonna love you the way I tried today to take your pain and all your heartaches. And honey, you know it'll always, always be right. If you ever want me, come on and cry. Be true, darling, that the grass always looks greener when you're looking in somebody else's yard. But honey, you know the real thing was waiting for you at home. I saw you did. I had a man. He said, honey, you know that I love you. See, but I gotta go find myself, you know, I gotta go find my life. I gotta go find myself over in Africa, or over in New York City, or over in Olima. Someplace those cats are always wandered off to. I never figured out exactly where it was. I was going somewhere, man. And I said, baby, don't you realize you're looking for your life over there, honey? You know where your life is? Your life's waiting like a goddamn fool right here for you, man. And one morning you're gonna wake up in Casablanca, one of those fancy places, honey. You're gonna be freezing to death, man. You're gonna wake up and you say, good God, Lord. Good God, Lord. I just went off and left that woman in that great big huge double bed with a great big fur rug on top of it, no satin sheets, man. What am I doing in Casablanca, man? I mean, really, man. One of these days that cat's gonna wake up and say that to himself. And when he comes back home, there, just like a Capricorn that I am, I'll be standing there waiting. Said, baby, I knew one day, and I knew one day, as you finally come on home to me, honey, when you walk through my front door, I'm gonna be able to tell by the look in your eyes. I say, good God, that man finally done got it. Lord, that man finally done realize. So you can put your head on my shoulder, baby, yeah. 'Cause I know you got some more tears to shed, dear. So come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, and cry, cry, baby. Cry, baby. Cry, baby. Oh, honey, welcome back home. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Cry, baby. Cry, 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 dear. I know when you wanna get a little bit lonely, baby. Cry. You can talk to your mama now. Honey, you gonna talk to your sweet little mama now. Cry, cry, baby. Cry, baby.
Goodness, what did I just watch? I am still in shock. I am in total awe of this. I'm in total awe. What did I just watch? This woman became, I've heard people sing blues, rock, metal. I've heard people sing, but never have I seen anybody become the song. Never have I seen anybody become a song the way this woman just did. The way this woman just performed this. The way her soul was screaming out of her body. The way she just became this blues. The way the music just flowed out of her. Watching her face, watching her do this, oh big, like just watching all of her do this, become this, just watching her become this person on stage. I've never seen that. I have never seen that. This is crazy. This is crazy. When I can't wrap my head around, I have to watch this again to convince myself that this was pure and real. That this is all her and not something done in the studio. That this was all taken just in one take, and this is really live, doing it in front of thousands of people. I love how the camera just focused on her, was just on her face. Like, look at her shine, look at her go. This one is a force of nature. Oh baby, oh my God, I wouldn't attempt to do what she just did because it would destroy me. And she sang all of this without losing her voice even. My voice would be gone just from that first part. This was crazy. Totally loved it. Thank you so much for this cast. Thank you so much, guys, for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it as well. If you did, do not hesitate to give me a big fat thumbs up. Consider hitting the subscribe button again. See you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe, be kind.
cents.